Technology has revolutionized our lives, including our relationships. It can bring us closer. It can also create distance. Finding balance is key to a strong marriage in the digital age. We need to be mindful of how we use technology. Technology offers incredible opportunities for connection. We can stay in touch with loved ones across distances. We can share experiences with the touch of a button. But it's easy to let technology take over. When phones become constant companions, intimacy suffers. Couples may find themselves disconnected even when physically together. This can lead to misunderstandings and resentment. It's crucial to establish healthy boundaries. This essay will explore the benefits and drawbacks of technology in marriage. We'll offer practical tips for managing technology. Open communication is vital for couples navigating the digital landscape. Technology can be a powerful tool for couples, especially those navigating long distances. Text messages, video calls, and social media can bridge the gap. They allow couples to share daily experiences and offer emotional support. Imagine a couple separated by work commitments. A quick text message saying, "I'm thinking of you," can brighten their day. A video call before bed can foster intimacy despite the distance. Technology keeps them connected. Social media also plays a role in maintaining relationships. Sharing photos and updates allows couples to participate in each other's lives. It's a way to stay connected to their partner's world. However, it's important to remember that technology is a tool. It should enhance, not replace, real-life interactions. Balance is key to reaping the benefits without sacrificing intimacy. While technology can connect us, it can also create distance. This is especially true when technology becomes a constant presence in our lives. Imagine a couple having dinner, both absorbed in their phones. The presence of devices can create a barrier to intimacy. Instead of engaging in meaningful conversation, couples may find themselves distracted by notifications. This can lead to feelings of neglect and loneliness. Over-reliance on technology for communication can also hinder emotional connection. Text messages lack the nuance of face-to-face conversations. Important conversations may be misunderstood or lack emotional depth. Furthermore, constant connectivity can blur the lines between work and personal life. Answering emails during dinner or scrolling through social media before bed can leave partners feeling unimportant and disconnected. Creating healthy boundaries around technology is crucial for protecting intimacy in marriage. Start by establishing tech-free zones in your home. The dinner table and the bedroom should be sacred spaces for connection. Designate specific times to unplug and engage in activities together. This could be a daily walk, a weekly game night, or a monthly date night. The key is to prioritize quality time without distractions. Be mindful of your phone usage when you're together. Put your phones away during conversations. Avoid interrupting your partner to check notifications. Give them your undivided attention. Consider implementing a phone stack rule when you're out together. Everyone places their phones in the center of the table. The first person to reach for their phone picks up the tab. This encourages presence and engagement. Section 5. The power of dialogue. Communicating your needs and expectations around technology. Open and honest communication is crucial for navigating technology's impact on your relationship. Discuss your expectations around tech use. What feels comfortable for both of you? Share your concerns and feelings about how technology might be affecting your relationship. Listen to your partner's perspective without judgment. The goal is to understand each other's needs. Work together to create tech-related rules that work for both of you. This might involve setting limits on screen time, designating tech-free hours, or agreeing on phone etiquette during meals or conversations. Remember that compromise is key. You may not agree on everything. The important thing is to find solutions that respect both partners' needs and foster a healthy balance between technology and connection. Section 6. Date nights in the digital age. Prioritizing quality time in a tech-saturated world. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to let quality time slip away. Make a conscious effort to schedule regular date nights. This is dedicated time for you to connect as a couple, free from distractions. Choose activities that encourage conversation and intimacy. Go for a walk in nature, visit a museum, or try a new restaurant. The goal is to focus on each other and enjoy shared experiences. Leave your phones at home or turn them off during your date. This allows you to be fully present with your partner. Give them your undivided attention and savor the moment. Remember that date nights don't have to be extravagant. Even a simple activity like cooking dinner together can be a meaningful way to connect. The key is to prioritize quality time and make it a regular part of your routine. Section 7. Mindful scrolling, meaningful moments. Cultivating presence in the age of distraction. Technology has made it easier than ever to disconnect from the present moment. Practice mindfulness by being aware of your tech use. Notice how often you reach for your phone out of habit or boredom. Set intentions for your tech use. Ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve by using this device? If the answer is simply to escape or avoid boredom, consider engaging in a more fulfilling activity. Challenge yourself to put your phone away for specific periods during the day. Focus on being present with your partner and engaging in your surroundings. You might be surprised by how much more you notice and appreciate. Remember that every moment is an opportunity to connect with your partner. Choose to be present and engage in meaningful interactions instead of allowing technology to steal your attention. Section 8. Tech-free zones. Creating sacred spaces for connection and intimacy. Designate specific areas in your home as tech-free zones. This could include the bedroom, the dining room, or any other space where you want to foster connection and intimacy. Make it a rule to keep phones, tablets, and laptops out of these areas. This creates a physical and psychological boundary that encourages face-to-face interaction and deeper connection. Use these tech-free zones to engage in activities that strengthen your bond. Have meaningful conversations, cuddle on the couch, or simply enjoy each other's company without distractions. By creating these sacred spaces, you're sending a powerful message to your partner that they are your priority. You're also establishing healthy habits that promote presence and intimacy in your relationship. Section 9. Leading by example. Modeling healthy tech habits for a stronger relationship. Actions speak louder than words. Model the behavior you want to see in your partner by practicing healthy tech habits yourself. Be mindful of your own screen time and make an effort to be present. If you've agreed on tech-free zones or times, respect those boundaries. Don't expect your partner to follow rules that you're not willing to follow yourself. When your partner is talking to you, put your phone down and give them your full attention. Avoid interrupting or getting distracted by notifications. Show them that they are your priority. By demonstrating healthy tech habits, you're not only improving your own well-being, but also setting a positive example for your partner and strengthening your relationship. Section 10. The gift of presence. Choosing connection over distraction. In a world filled with digital distractions, the gift of presence is more valuable than ever. When you choose to be present with your partner, you're saying, "You are important to me. I value our time together." Make eye contact when you're talking. Listen attentively to what they have to say. Put away your phone and engage in the moment. These small gestures communicate love, respect, and appreciation. Remember that life is happening now. Don't let technology rob you of the joy of connecting with your partner and experiencing the beauty of the present moment. Choose presence over distraction, and you'll strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. Section 11. Technology as a tool, not a tyrant. Building a stronger marriage in the digital age. Technology is an integral part of modern life. It can be a powerful tool for connection and disconnection in our relationships. The key to harnessing technology's benefits while mitigating its drawbacks lies in finding a healthy balance. This requires open communication, clear boundaries, and a conscious effort to prioritize our relationships. By being mindful of our tech use, setting healthy limits, and making time for quality interactions, we can ensure that technology enhances rather than hinders our marriages. Let's choose to use technology as a tool for connection, not a tyrant that rules our lives and steals our intimacy.